Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, beef and bell pepper stir fry. So friends, today I'll be sharing with you a recipe how to make the most delicious and tasty beef and bell pepper stir fry that everyone is going to love. For this recipe, these are some of the ingredients that you're going to need. I have 2 pounds of beef, bell pepper. Next, I'm going to go ahead and cut them into the desired pieces. Next, I'm going to go ahead and marinate. Of course, for this recipe, you certainly can use any of your favorite seasoning. Do keep in mind, for this recipe, I will leave a full list of ingredients and measurement below so you can always check it out. Once add all of your favorite ingredients, next I'm going to go ahead and add a pinch of red wine. And also brown sugar. Next I'm going to go ahead and give it a good mix and set it aside for 20 minutes. Of course, overnight do preferable. Of course, when it comes to taste and flavor, it does make a big difference. So friend, on this channel I bring you guys some of Caribbean most delicious recipe that you can easily put together at home in little or no time. As always, if you're new to the channel, please take a moment to subscribe and welcome. Next, these are some of the ingredients that you're going to need. 1 green onion chopped into medium pieces, half of a white onion, and also red and also yellow bell pepper. So my friend, I just want to take this moment and shout out you guys for always watching my video each time I upload. And also a big shout out to one of my amazing subscribers, that's Espinal. As always, thank you.
Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're gentle and wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh, oh,
So my friend, this looks amazing. Next, in a heated pot, you want to go ahead and stir fry for a minute or two. So my friend, my veggies are perfectly cooked. Next, I'm going to go ahead and remove and set aside for a few minutes. Next, using the same pot, adding 1 tablespoon of oil and also my marinated meat and just let it fully cooked.
you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
So my friend, this is totally optional, adding 2 tablespoons of red wine.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
At this point my meat are fully cooked. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add my cooked veggies and stir fry for a minute or two.
Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh,
So my friend, this looks amazing. How easy was that? I hope you enjoy my cooking, and also, for more easy video recipe, please consider subscribing for more great videos. As always, thanks for watching. Beef and bell pepper stir fried recipe. Until next time.